What if upgrading your network didn't require a complete overhaul? What if just one powerful module could unlock faster speeds, seamless data flow, and future-ready performance all without breaking the bank? Introducing the Cisco C3850-NM-2-10G, the hidden gem every business and tech pro should know about. In a world where data is gold, your network is the vault. And like any good vault, it needs an upgrade. This isn't just another network module. This is reliability, speed, and scalability all packed into one sleek, high-performance unit designed for the Cisco Catalyst 3850 series. For businesses, IT teams, and growing enterprises, this module means no more slowdowns, no more bottlenecks, and no more risks. Here's why professionals are switching to the C3850-NM-2-10G Dual 10G SFP Plus ports. Lightspeed data transmission across your network. Modular flexibility. Customize your uplinks without replacing your entire switch. Hot-Swappable. Zero downtime when upgrading. Your operations stay running. Built to last, rigorously tested, enterprise-level hardware that won't fail when you need it most. Energy efficient. Saves power without sacrificing performance. Whether you're running a growing office, a data center, or an advanced lab, this module grows with you. Imagine this. Your team is in the middle of an important data transfer. You're pushing large files, sensitive information, maybe even mission-critical backups. Suddenly, lag, delays, a broken flow. That's what happens with outdated hardware. But with the C3850-NM-2-10G, your team runs on real-time performance. No interruptions, no delays, just smooth, secure, high-speed efficiency. This module isn't just used by small offices, it's trusted by hospitals, universities, data centers, and top-tier companies around the world. Why? Because Cisco doesn't play when it comes to quality. And neither should you. Every component is professionally tested and certified, ensuring you get not just a product, but peace of mind. You know your network deserves better. Don't let outdated tech slow down your team, your data, or your future. The C3850-NM-2-10G is your upgrade path to reliability, speed, and success. So if you're serious about performance, now is the time to take the next step, because smart tech starts with smart choices, and this is one of them.